Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Okay, so today we are going to do set 3, 6 through 10. Make sure you put the word analogies up there. And put your first and last name up in the right-hand corner and today's date, which is the 26th. And we're going to go ahead and write number 6, and then monarch is to throne. And then already I have my keywords bridge sentence. So I want to make sure that I also highlight monarch and throne. So go ahead and do that. And we're looking for something that can be found on something. So a monarch can be found on a throne. So our choices are, can a king be found on a prince? No, hopefully not. Can a horse be found on a cowboy? Yeah, but that's not typical. Can a climber be found on a mountain? Yes. And can a teller be found on a bank? No, it would be in a bank, not something in. We're looking for something on. So our best answer choice is going to be C. So let's go ahead and get that written down. Okay, so I made sure and highlighted my keywords in my keywords bridge sentence. Make sure you're abbreviating that. KWBS, you don't want to write that whole thing if you don't have to. And then I went ahead and wrote my answer bridge sentence, and I abbreviated that ABS. Make sure that you're highlighting your keywords and your answers in both sentences. So in your answer bridge sentence, you should have climber and mountain highlighted. And then in a different color or in a pencil, go ahead and highlight what the relationship is. So you only need to highlight one in one sentence or underline it. So it's can be found on. Can be found on. Okay, let's go ahead and get number 7 going. Okay, so I wrote down muslin is to fabric, and I left that part blank. I highlighted in my keywords bridge sentence muslin and fabric, and then I underlined type because that's what we're looking for. So is game a type of chess? No, it's the other way around. Chess is a type of game. Has to be in the right order. Is strategy a type of skill? No, it's not. Strategy is a way to improve your skill, but it's not a type of. Is yarn a type of silk? No. Yarn is something completely different than silk. They're both fabric, but it's not a type of it. And is relay a type of race? Yes, relay is a type of race. So let's go ahead and finish our analogy. Muslin is to fabric as relay is to race. And then we're going to go ahead and put our words in our answer bridge sentence and highlight those. Okay, so I finished up number 7, so now we're on number 8. Grimace is to discomfort. Now remember, if you don't know what the words are, you need to make sure and look them up so that you can get it right. So grimace is actually like a movement that you do with your face, like when something hurts or if it's disgusting or something like that. So it's like a weird facial expression. So our keywords bridge sentence for this is, make sure you're looking over here, a grimace expresses discomfort. So I already highlighted grimace and discomfort, and then I underlined expresses because we're looking for something that expresses something. So does a smile express remorse? No, remorse is something that you feel guilty about and you don't want to smile about that. Does excitement express shout? No, shouting expresses excitement. It's like the other way around. Does a scowl express disapproval? Yeah, If I scowl at you, that means I'm disapproving of whatever it is you're doing, probably talking too loud. Does a pant express hunger? No. Typically a pant you hear with an animal, and it usually expresses that they're hot or thirsty. So our best answer choice is going to be C. So go ahead and put in scowl. You're going to finish it. So grimace is to discomfort, as scowl is to disapproval. And go ahead and finish your ABS sentence, your answer bridge sentence. And we are going to write a scowl expresses disapproval. Okay, then you're going to go ahead and do number 9 and 10 on your own, just like you did number 6 through 8. And I will check it off and let you know if you got number 9 and 10 right. Have a great afternoon.